Well, let me start the session for today. So already we waited for 5 minutes. So as I mentioned yesterday, team, the timings will be strictly from 8 to 9. From the next class, the class will be starting by sharp 8 o'clock. So as such, today is a day two, and also as it's a weekend, we have scheduled a special extended class for today. So I do understand, but from next class, I request everyone, please be on the call by sharp 8 o'clock. The Zoom will start by sharp 8 and it will be concluded by 9 o'clock team. So still people are in the queue and they're joining. So I request everyone, please be on time from the next class onwards. Thank you. And once again, a warm welcome to Triotech Software Trainings, every one of you. And today we are on the day 2 demo on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. So yesterday we had our demo class 1, and today also we have scheduled class 2 demo with extension to the yesterday's topic, that what we left over in the yesterday's session, that we will cover today, and then we'll start with our introduction to the application as well. So to have a quick recap, what we discussed in the yesterday's session. So in yesterday, first I have introduced to you what is this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application is about. I mean to say, after the brief introduction about myself and about Triotech software trainings, right? I have introduced to you first of all the concept of ERP in the system, right team? After the introduction about our Triotech and about myself, I have taken up introduction to the ERP concept. So what is ERP? What are the different products that are available in the market under the ERP front? And then what is Oracle HCM Cloud applications is about? Why any company will use Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud? For what purpose in the company they will be using this application? That I have explained you team. And then I spoke about Fusion applications evolution path, like when Oracle introduced this Fusion applications in the market, prior to Oracle Fusion, what are the different products that are available in the market prior to Oracle Fusion? The background or the history of the Fusion application I have explained you team. And also I explained you under Oracle Fusion application, what are the different products that our Oracle offering. We are going to learn about HCM, Human Capital Management. But under Fusion, I told you, Oracle also offering financials, supply chain, CRM, procurement, PPM, different products that Oracle offering under the Fusion application also I have told you. And then team, much before that, I have also covered this particular concept. I mean to say, who can learn this course? What are the prerequisites that you should have? We don't have anything, that only I explained you here. Who can learn this course? I told you if you fall in any of these criteria, you can learn this course. And as I mentioned, this will be completely zero coding application, I told you. So this also we have seen in our yesterday session. And then I introduced to you types of companies, who is service provider, who is called as client or customer, who is consulting companies. Once you learn this technology, in what sort of companies you will be recruited, on what roles you will be recruited, what you have to do, these all things we discussed here team. And then I introduced to you Fusion application environment releases. What is the latest version of the Fusion application? And when Oracle introduced it in 2011, what is the version that they introduced the Fusion? And I told you Oracle follow quarterly upgradation policy. Yearly, how many times Oracle upgrading the application? What is the versioning sequence that Oracle following every quarterly upgrade? That also I explained you yesterday. And then team, I introduce it to you. What are the total modules that we have in the Fusion system? What comes under functional, what comes under technical, and what are the high demanded roles in the market with respective to this technology when you learn, right team? And what sort of packages freshers are being offered, or what sort of packages an experienced person with 3 to 4 years of experience, how much companies are offering, how the recession impact, okay, what is the demand for this technology. These all things we discussed in our yesterday session team. And also I explained you course features before closing the session. As part of this training program, what all functional modules, what all technical concepts we are going to cover, these things we discussed in our yesterday session team. And then I have gone through the course offering slide as well. So as part of this training program for 3 months, what are the course features? 3 months of training, then the schedule, then the video access for lifetime, server access, the real-time project assignments that what we providing. Then from the placement point of view, how our placement team will guide you with the resume preparation, interview question and answers, mock interviews, and referrals to the companies for interviews to get scheduled, what support we will get, we will provide you. These things I have explained you, and also I have shown you what is the course fee and the offer price that we have given for yesterday team, right? What additional benefits that people got. Maximum 90% of the people completed their registrations, and we have even shared their server access and mail access to their emails team. So people who enrolled, what is the offer that they avail, that also have explained you yesterday team. Okay. What additional benefits with this enrollment you are getting, that all we have seen. And then few sample job postings, how we will be sharing with you in your WhatsApp community, that screenshot, and few student testimonials, the placement success stories in Triotech, what we have gone through from every batch. You can see them directly in the PPT here, the placements of freshers, experienced, and also I told you, please do refer our YouTube channel and also the Instagram channel for the placement success stories team. So these all things that we have seen in our yesterday's session. Okay. These all things we have seen in our yesterday's session. To have a quick recap, if anyone directly join today's call, to have a quick recap to them, I'm just covering all these things again. So now, in continuation to yesterday's class, what we are going to see in today's session team, see, we supposed to cover this Oracle knowledge repository and certification process yesterday only. But already it's been 2 hours extended yesterday. I concluded the topic there. But today in this session, first I will explain you Oracle knowledge repository, right? How to access Oracle delivered standard documents with respective to this technology team. And also, I was telling you yesterday, Oracle will provide quarterly upgrades. Every 3 months, Oracle upgrading, and they're giving some new enhancements in the system, I told you. Every 3 months, quarter, when Oracle coming up with an upgrade team, what new functionalities Oracle bringing in the system, Oracle will provide us a very detailed material team. In this module, these new features we are bringing in. In this module, these new enhancements we are bringing in. Where we can access them, where we can access them, That also I will show you. Very important thing that is team, because my personal suggestion to each one of my students team, for every batch I will tell, when you learning any particular technology, you should equally grow along with the application. If application is upgrading, evolving, you should also upgrade yourself in tune with that. How, Kumar? I'll tell you where we have to go, where we can find every quarterly upgrades that Oracle bringing in the system. This one you have to make it as a habit. Like every day, how we will brush, how we will bath. Same way, whenever you're working in this technology, you might be for next 10-15 years in the tool or this technology team. Every 3 months, once only, every 3 months, once you have to spend half an hour time team. That's all, not more than that. This activity you have to make it as a habit in your life, right? Every 3 months, when Oracle upgrading their system, what are the new functionalities Oracle bringing in the system? Half an hour, just if you spend time, you will be up to date. To make it as a habit, that how to get, where we can access them, entire Oracle knowledge repository, where we can access Oracle documents with respective to this application, and also every upgrade documents where we can access. That I will show you today. And then team, few of the people asking about the certification process. Sir, I want to do certification. My requirement is that, what is the approach? First of all, is it really important to do that? Okay, that all I will tell you here team. And after this too, I will introduce to you the Fusion HCM Cloud application, how to log in into the system, the basic home screen level functionalities, that all we will see team. So step by step, first we are talking about all the basics of the application team. Now today we are going to see the knowledge repository. Anyhow, you will be getting our materials team. As I have shown you yesterday, for every module with all the screenshots and navigations, the custom material that what we prepared, you will be getting for our ease to practice team. But on top of the standard materials that what I provide to you, if you want to explore Oracle documentation, how you can go and how you can find them team. So let us start with that. First of all, Oracle Knowledge Repository. See team, just go to any of your Google search engines. Okay. Google, Firefox, anything of your choice. Okay. Just type it as team docs.oracle.com. Just go to your browser, type the URL by name docs.oracle.com. If any one of you in front of the laptop or even the mobile is fine, just I'm pinging that URL in the chat button team, docs.oracle.com. Just you click on it. Anyone can access, because many people will think that we should require Oracle credentials. We have to have an account with Oracle University something. No, it's an open source for every one of you. See, now I just Google docs.oracle.com and I came to this page. If I keep my cursor here, now it is asking me to sign in. Did I sign in anywhere? No. It's an open source for every one of us team, right? So just go to Google, type as docs.oracle.com. You will land upon this page team. Okay. And here all the Oracle applications you can see, cloud infrastructure, Java, systems, database, okay? All the application of Oracle you can see team. Here, come to cloud applications. Our application is what team? Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM. So come to cloud application, and within cloud, we have Fusion application suite, NetSuite, like that. NetSuite is one of the ERP of Oracle only. That's for small businesses, Oracle offering. But this is ours. Fusion application suite, you have to come. Within that team, all the products I can see, financials, supply chain, human resource, sales. I told you, no, under Fusion, Oracle offering multiple products, I told you. So you can see all the products here, team. But ours is what? Human resources. So come to cloud application, Fusion application suite, and click on human resources team. Okay, human resources team. You will land upon here. Then on the right left hand side, you have something called all books. Go to all books here. Okay. Then you can see all the Oracle delivered standard books team, and you can filter here. You want implementation guides for all modules, user guides, admin guides, what you want. Implementation, I'm selecting. I want to know how to implement each module in the system. Implementation, you filter. So all the modules team, implementing absence management, implementing benefits, compensation, global HR, payroll, help desk. In payroll team, country-wise localization will be there. All countries documents these are. Huh? Then implementing time and labor. What are all this? Our modules. Yesterday I told no. We have different modules in the Fusion application. Global HR, absence management, payroll management, compensation, benefits, all the modules list you can see here, team. All books, and then keep it implementation, and you can find team. So if you click on this PDF button here, a PDF will open here, team. See, this is 192 page document that which Oracle delivered for implementing the absence management module in the system. A very thorough theoretical explanation, team. Each concept, an explanation with diagrams, everything will be there. So this is team Oracle standard delivered documents. This is what team? Oracle standard delivered documents team. You can even download them. It's an open source only. So Oracle documents will be very lengthy in size. My suggestion is make use of the materials that what I'm going to give you. In our easiest language with screenshots and navigations we provide. But if anyone want to refer team, you can able to refer them. So this is the place where for every module, next for benefits module you want, compensation module you want, then global HR module you want. Click on this PDF team, you can able to access them. So that this is all books. And then team, now let me talk about the uh, quarterly upgrades. So every quarter when Oracle upgrading the application team, we call them as release notes. What is that team? Release notes. 2 months to 3 months before only, before the upgrade. Oracle will deliver for all modules the documents team. Each module, what new functionalities they are bringing in the system, how you can find them. This is very important. Focus. Not only today, throughout your life, till the time you are working with Oracle HCM Cloud application in real time. This should be your habit every 3 months. Every 3 months, once you come to this docs.oracle.com, then above all books on the left hand, we have something called a cloud readiness team. We have to come to cloud readiness. Okay. Then here, when you come to cloud readiness team, you can filter human capital management. That is our product. All other products in Fusion we can see human capital management. You have to select team. And here you can filter, select a release. You want a latest release or previous releases, you can filter team. Latest update, I'm filtering. And if I scroll down, I can see here team. See, benefits module 25C is our latest release, no, this year. Our application is in which release? I told you yesterday we are in 25C. I told you benefits module, what's new? 25C. Compensation module, help desk module, human resource module, that is global HR team. Then we have again compensation. Then we have learn module, then we have recruiting cloud, ORC module, then talent management module, then absence management, time and labor, then payroll module. All our modules are there, see. So just click on it, team. You just click on it, team. Which module you want? I want to know global HR module. So click on human resources, what new 25C link, then you will land upon team this particular page, Oracle Fusion Cloud Human Resources 25C. So here if you expand team and if you expand your global HR, these all are the new features Oracle brings in the system. See, new page properties for person attributes in Redwood page. So what is that screen where that new functionality coming in? Like this highlighters will come. So you can easily understand team on which page they will explain team in which page what is the functionality that is coming up newly. So this is coming newly here team. Then if I go to this one, some work patterns enhancement is there. So in this work pattern template, some new features Oracle bringing in the system. See, a clear cut. If anything that you have to do team, steps to enable also. For this, you don't need to do anything. By default, it will come. So these are the some new features Oracle bringing in the system team. So recently, AI agents also integrated with Oracle Fusion. So here, the role of AI agent here team in the employee details page under my team. When a manager go to any subordinate detail, this feature is team. So when that AI agent is implemented, so what benefits you will get? What are the steps to enable that one? So all functionalities, what new functionalities Oracle bringing in the system in this release, how to enable them, that all we can able to check out team here. What is that feature? Which screenshot? What is that particular option highlighted like this team? So in this screen, these are coming up in the system for every module. Not only this team, if I go back, next I want to check another module. Okay. Next, I want to check, let's say, compensation module. Then go to compensation, what's new. Then in this module, what new features Oracle bringing in the system, you can check out. Expand and select. This is a new feature coming. Restrict, edit and delete of individual compensation allocation using business rule. So edit button restriction Oracle given newly with the edit rule through sandbox team. So every feature, what Oracle bringing in that module, we can able to explore here. So as I mentioned yesterday also, during this upgrades team, we will prepare a document in real-time project in each module, what new features Oracle bringing in, and we will explain to the client also. So that all activity we call it as impact analysis sessions and all that I will tell you in our project implementation workshops. Whenever I'm going to explain you as part of our interview preparation, as I told in this placement workshop sessions, I will tell you what activities you will do. But I want everyone take this point very seriously. This is something which will be very useful in your real-time projects when you're working. Every 3 months, once you come to docs.oracle.com website, spend at least half an hour to 1 hour time. Just go through like this team. Now you are new to this technology. These all screens you might not know. But once you trained on this and once you start working, every day you are seeing the screens, you can easily identify what is this feature is. So just to walk through each module 5-10 minutes so that you can keep yourself updated. Acha, okay, on this screen here some new feature came in. Okay, acha, okay, right, like this. So this is something which you have to make it as a practice in your lifetime. Okay, so this is about team fusion and repository, Oracle knowledge repository team. This is a open source that Oracle given to anyone who want to learn their technology. So this is about Oracle's knowledge repository team. Now, let me start with Oracle certification process. So what is the certification process we have in this technology? First of all, is it really mandatory to do or not? This is the first question many people will have. Okay, let me talk about Oracle certification process team. Oracle certification process team. Okay. So here, what is our technology team? Our technology is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application. One thing you have to remember is Oracle is not conducting the examination for the entire application. This is a very common question. Few people, yesterday also, few people were asking this in the call. Okay, before their enrollments, they were asking this. Sir, can I do certification for the entire HCM? So I told them, no. In Fusion application, for the entire product, for the entire application, Oracle is not conducting any certification exam. How then? We have different modules in the system, no? For each module, Oracle will conduct the examination team. For each module, Oracle will conduct the examination. Let's say core HR is there. We have an examination by name, Oracle Global Human Resource Cloud Implementation Specialist. Okay, implementation specialist. Then for absence management, we have team Oracle Absence Management Cloud. Okay, Oracle Absence Management Cloud Implementation Specialist. Like that team, for each module, Oracle conducting the exam, and there will be examination code also, IZO 1046/25. So this is the examination code for core HR module team. Then we have absence module, some IZO 1054 or something is there. So the point here to be noted is for the entire application, we don't have certification exam in the Oracle. Each module, Oracle conducting the certification exam. Kumar, how we can write this exam, Kumar? Basically, there are two ways to book it. Okay. Oracle partnered with a company called View Pearson. I think many of you might be aware of this company team. If any one of you tried for your abroad studies or something for your IELTS, IELTS exam, PTE exam, Duolingo exam, to write this English test or aptitude test, there are Pearson test centers available in different cities team. Oracle also partnered with this company. If you go to your internet and if you type team, okay, View Pearson, just Google it, View Pearson. This is a website you will get team, pearsonview.com. So Oracle partnered with this company for the examinations to conduct on behalf of them. So this is an examination partner for Oracle team. So you can go to viewpearson.com website. Then you can book the exam team. You can search for your program here and then you can create your account and you can book your exam at your available slot, sit in your home and you can write the exam. That will be video monitored. Prior to COVID, 4 5 years back, we don't have online option. We should go to View Pearson test centers across the world. In all cities, we have the test centers. In Hyderabad, we have, in Bangalore, in Vijayawada, everywhere we have team. We have to go there, pay the fee, book the exam, sit there and used to write. But post COVID, even the examination offered in online through video monitoring team. So View Pearson website we have to go, search with our module name, certification name or number, code, and you can create the account, book the slot and write the exam. Or else team, you can go to education.oracle.com, education.oracle.com. Even you can go here team. This is a Oracle University website. Directly you can go to education.oracle.com and then we have here the certification option. You can come here, then you can write team. So schedule your exam, we have an option. So you can go to these options, you can explore which module you want to write and you can able to book the exam from here and also you can write team. These are the two places that we have to go and you have to book. How the examination will conducted, Kumar, what will be the questioning pattern. See, depending upon the module, number of questions will be varied. Core HR, if you take, it's a big module team. We can expect 90 to 110 or 120 questions approximately. Absence management is a small module. You might expect 60 to 65 questions in that. Module wise, the questioning will differ. And the mode of questions will be choose the correct answers. Multiple choice questions with a mix of scenario team. See, till 2 years back, till 2023, only MCQs we used to have, multiple choice questions. Question A, B, C, D option. We have to select the right one. But many people are doing malpractices, proxyifying the examinations team. One person booking the exam on behalf of that person, another people writing with all these AI agents and all, right? So what Oracle did from last year onwards, Oracle made their examination pattern bit more tough and complex. Along with the MCQs, okay, multiple choice questions, Oracle also introduced scenario practical questions team. Scenarios as well. Means few are MCQs and few scenarios Oracle giving and giving the instance there and asking you to configure and show the solution in the system. Practicality included in the examination team. So people who are going to write the examinations now, so be prepared. It will be MCQs plus scenarios. Okay. And then you have to get at least 75% for completing the certification team. The pass score, 70 to 75% you have to achieve. Negative marking also will be their team. And what is the cost for this examination? For each module, Oracle charging somewhere around 23,000 Indian rupees. Okay, people from US, UK are in the call. Don't assume that that is in dollars or pound. It's a very big amount. Okay, 23K Indian rupees, 23,000, 23K plus applicable GST taxes and all. So each module, Oracle charging that amount, and it's a non-refundable amount. If you book the exam, you return the exam, you have not secured the maximum pass mark 75%, you have failed, then the amount will not be refunded. One attempt only will have team. If you book the exam, you have to clear it. If not, amount will not be refunded. That is Oracle's policy. Okay. Now, and also, if anyone indulged in any malpractices also, this will be not refunded team. Okay. Now the big question is, Kumar, okay, is it mandatory after the training to get a job? Do we require mandatorily to do the certification? Absolutely a big no. Absolutely a big no. For people who asking this, I explained you the process team. But in Oracle system, unlike SAP, I'm not telling that in SAP that is not required. The other tools like SAP or Workday, they were having the mandatory requirements of certifications in the market. But the best part with Oracle, though it is a top ERP than SAP or than Workday, Oracle certification is not a mandatory criteria for your recruitment. Once you learn the course, drop the resume, your profile will screen, give the best interview, you will get selected. No certification is mandatory in Oracle Fusion team. When it might be required, once after you join the organization, you are working for one project. Let's say one project to another project when you've been moving. Sometimes clients might ask you, we want certified implementation resources only to work in our project. During that time, your project manager will ask you, clear any certification client asking. That point of time you plan. And also during that time, your company will pay for you. You no need to waste your money from your pockets. Don't do all these things. If anyone tell you to do also, don't take the risk, don't lose the money. I'm not telling losing the money. If you write the exam, if you certified, well enough. But if you can't clear it, you will be losing. So once you join the organization, If your project is asking you to do, then your manager will ask you to complete. Your company will give you free coupons for this. They will bear the cost on behalf of you. Then you write it, team. But now for the interview selection process, when you drop the resume, no, by seeing certification, no one will recruit you. It's ultimately the interview that happened for 20 minutes or 30 minutes. And if you present it well only, they will recruit you. Only certification, if you keep there, some proxy you have done and you kept, no use. Ultimately, if you are not presenting well, the certification doesn't matter to him. So don't get confused here. Certification fantasies and all, 100% that will not required in Indian market. But people in the call from US, Canada, UK, and Middle East people also, few are there in the call from UAE, Kuwait who joined. For you, that's open thing for you, because in your regions, in your employment recruitment patterns, the HRs or the companies are more fascinated towards the certifications. For you people, I agree, okay. But Indian market people here, I'm talking freshers or non-IT people, don't waste your time in certification. Not at all required. Take it as granted. Okay. So this is about Oracle certification process, how Oracle will conduct the examination. If anyone want to do, okay, okay, we will be providing you the dumps also. In our training, if you complete this program, you can happily do the certification. You can happily clear with that knowledge. Along with that, to support you, we will provide the examination dumps also. Dumps means what? Whatever the exam that you are going to write, already the question and answers will be available to us. So 70 to 80% of the questions will be coming same in the exam when you are writing. So that question and answers dump for the modules we will provide. And with this training, 100%, if anyone want to do the certification, they can clear the certification as well. But reality I'm talking, that's generally not required. If you want to do, up to you. But I suggest not to do now. Because if company paying to you, why we should waste the money is my point. Okay. So this is something about the certification process, team. Next. So repository and certification we have seen. Now let me introduce to you the Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application. So as I was telling you since yesterday, our course is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application. Correct? Our course is what, team? Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application. And I told you the Fusion applications are completely on a cloud-based technology. On a cloud-based technology. Means what, team? If any customer buy the product from Oracle, how the application is getting delivered, team? On a cloud-based technology, team. Means what? Means what? Cloud-based technology means what, team? A software that is hosted over the internet. What is that, team? The software that is hosted over the internet. That is called as cloud-based technology. Like our Gmail, if you take, if anyone using the Google Gmail, anyone means everyone we use obviously, how you will access Gmail, team? You will just go to your Google, you will type it as gmail.com, www.gmail.com. Then it will ask you for user ID and password. Once you give that, you will able to enter into that application of Gmail. You can start sending the emails and all. Facebook is there, Instagram is there, Twitter is there. How you are accessing? Are you installing any software in your laptop and you are running that to access them? No. Just you are going to the browser, you are typing that .com, okay, Instagram.com or Facebook.com or Twitter.com, okay. Then you could able to log in with your credentials and you could able to access the system. These all are cloud-based applications, team. No software you need to install in your laptop. No server you need to maintain in your office premises or in your location. Nothing. So Fusion HCM Cloud applications also purely offered on a cloud-based technology team. Earlier, when we were in the releases of release 1 to release 10 team, Fusion applications were also offered both on cloud and on-premise model. People who purchased the Fusion application during this releases team, they used to have two options, on a cloud based and also on a on-premise model. Company sold, Oracle sold team. On premises means the old traditional model, means we have to buy the server from Oracle, install that server in our office premises, and we have to install that application in that server, and we used to have our own technical team like database administrator, system engineers, network specialists, and security of the application, upgradation of the application, everything companies only used to maintain, clients only used to maintain team. But from release 10 onwards, Oracle stopped on-premise team completely. Fusion applications are offered on a cloud-based technology. How the Fusion applications will be delivered when a company buys the application from Oracle team. For example, you take team. We all know our Tata Group in India. Okay. Tata Group is a very big MNC that we all know. For example, team, Tata Group, let's assume, is a client team or a customer. Now Tata today decided that they want to use Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications in their day-to-day HR activities. So what Tata did, team? Tata approached, okay, Tata approached Oracle Corporation, let's say. So Tata approached Oracle Corporation. Okay, or Oracle have a registered office, or Oracle India Private Limited in India. Okay. So what Tata did, team? Tata reached Oracle because they want to buy Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications for their day-to-day HR activity. So now Oracle India Private Limited is the vendor or the okay service provider team. Vendor or service provider, correct, because our Fusion applications are owned by whom? Oracle's product, that is. So Tata reached to Oracle, and Oracle given some price about the subscription and all, and now Tata Group purchased the product from Oracle. How the product will be delivered to Tata Group? In which form the application will be delivered to Tata Group? Just in the form of URL. What is that, team? Just in the form of URL. This is our Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications team. Just in the form of URL. So this is our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application. So cloud-based technology means you no need to install your software in the laptop or in your computer, and your client no need to buy any server from Oracle and install that in their office premises. Nothing. Everything will be maintained by Oracle. A company, here example I have taken Tata. It could be anything in your case when you are working in the real time. Assume Tata as an example to understand this concept, team. So when Tata bought the product from Oracle, the application will deliver just in the form of this URL. And then to access the application, we require just user ID and password. Now see, team, I'll take this URL. Just I'm going to some Google Chrome or something. I'm passing this URL, team, and then enter. Okay. I already see entered. Now see what happens now. Just I went to my Google Chrome and just I inputted my URL, team. It opened to me a page called Cloud Infrastructure Oracle Cloud Account Sign In. It is asking me to pass username and password. So just I'll input one of my credentials at what I have, team. So I have something for the session I made ready. So I'm using that. Okay, I inputted my user ID and I'm giving my password here, team. See? I given my username and I given my password. Don't worry, today you will get all the server access for practicing after the class. Username and password. Now see here, I'm clicking on sign in. I clicked on sign in. Now what? My page is loading and I landed upon the Fusion application. So this is our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application front end user interface team, the look and feel. So did I installed anywhere in my laptop? Unlike old traditional installations team, I went to any of my application in the system, I run the software, then only I could able to access. No, cloud-based technology means that one team. Everything will be hosted over the internet. Just in the form of URL, the application will be delivered to the clients. So they could able to access the application with this. So here, a basic laptop, not even a high-end processor required, i7, i10, no. i3 basic laptop with good internet connection if you have. You can sit anywhere in the world and you can access the Fusion application. And the entire world is moving towards that cloud-based technologies nowadays. They don't want to maintain the load or the burden on them. They want to buy the product, they want to use it directly from anywhere accessing that tool. So this is about cloud-based technology team. Now here, I want to introduce to you what are the different names that we can refer our Fusion application. This might be very basic team, but very important for understanding and for your learning point of view. What are they? When you join the organization, let's say in between your team members, when you are discussing something about the client application, you want to ask your friend or a colleague, hey, can you please give me that client application access to me? How you will call, how you will refer the Fusion application. We should not use layman terminologies team because we are professionals. Once you complete this program, you are joining an IT firm as a consultant on this technology, right? So we should use some terminologies that Oracle given for referring the Fusion application. We should not call them as URL, link. These are very layman terminologies team. Calling the Fusion application as, can you give me that URL of the client? Can you give me the link of that client? These are very unprofessional. Layman usage or day-to-day word usages these are. What are the actual names that which Oracle suggesting to refer the Fusion application team? We should refer Fusion applications as instance or environment. Okay, instance, environment, server, pod, tenant, okay, sandbox. So these are the different names you can refer the Fusion application team. See, because I know off the record I'm talking, few of you will portray some experiences and you will drop the resume and you will get selected. And as if you are already telling that you are a working experienced professional in this domain, when you are in the organization, we should not call the environment with these names team. Start using these jargons, start using these names, then it looks more professional in the team when you are discussing. When you want any client application access from your colleague team, hey, can you please give me the instance of that client, or can you please give me the environment access of that client? Can you please give me the server of that client? Even yesterday in our course features, when I have mentioned what I given here team, what I have given team, 5 months of Oracle server access. I am telling server access means environment of the application, Fusion application team. So these are the different names you can call. Pod means platform on demand, POD. We can call it as a tenant. We can call it as sandbox. We can call it as environment, instance, server. These are the different names you have to call or refer the Fusion applications when you are in the real-time projects team. Then one more important understanding at this point of time everyone should have. What is that? When you working in the real-time projects, sometimes you will be in a situation to work for multiple projects team. particularly support projects whenever you are part of in your company, you might be asked to work for 2 3 projects simultaneously. I'll tell you one thing, team. If anyone get that opportunity at the early stages, we have to grab that. We should not feel that overloaded or stressed. I mean, in the initial stage, because you are also new to this technology, you are learning. But once you get into the company, if you got involved in that cases with multiple projects, the kind of learning that you will have, it will be very good. At least for first 6 months or 1 year, if you have that kind of environment, your project manager posted to you, you are really blessed with that. Really, I'm telling you, because the kind of exposure in the technology, the kind of work knowledge you will get will be very high. I'm not telling throughout the life, everyone are human, we will be overloaded, that health issues and all will come. But initially, if anyone get that would be really great. That's just for your information I'm telling. Why I'm telling this is, in the real-time projects, sometimes in very rare cases, you might be asked to work for multiple projects. You means not alone you. You as a team only will work. Okay. Support projects team. For example, you are in the company and you are working for 3 clients team. Your company mapped you for 3 projects. Let's say client A, okay, client A, client B, let's assume client A, client B, and client C. So 3 projects you are working team. Let's assume. So how you will identify team? Which client URL is what? Again, I am using the word URL. Sorry for that. Which client environment is what? How you will identify team? Customer to customer. Very important. Please focus. Customer to customer. When Oracle selling the product in the environment, these 4 characters pod number will be unique. So whatever I have here, team, http/fa/etit, this we call it as team pod number, POD number, platform on demand number. Kumar, they are in characters, you are telling it as number. Yes, we will call it as number only, team. We call it as pod number. So for one company, for one client, if the characters are like ETIT, for some other client team, it will be with the unique code. They will have something with some other 4 combinations or like that team. Then for another client team, you might have some other characters here. Okay. So how you will identify means, this is important team. When you working in the real time, if you are working for multiple clients team, which client application is what, the URL, how you will identify? By looking at these 4 characters. That is a unique code for every application will be their team. So this we call it as pod number. So when you are in the project, you check that one. When your colleagues sharing you the access to you, which client URL is what, you can identify by looking at these 4 characters pod number team. And then here we are seeing in our URL at the end coming as a demos.com. Our training environment, this is at the end you are seeing it as see, after 4 characters pod number in the URL SAS FA demo demos.com. Training environments you will see at the end coming as Oracle demos team. But in real time, whenever you are working, here you will see something coming it as team. Some number will be there. It will come as oraclecloud.com. In the real time application, when you are working for the client, at the end, the URL will end with oraclecloud.com. But now you are seeing it as oracledemos.com. Why? Because our training environments team, for training purpose which Oracle offers in the market, the URL will end up with demos.com. But in real time, in your client place, whenever you are working, the client applications will end with the name coming as oraclecloud.com. And after 4 characters pod number between oraclecloud.com, there will be 1 or 2 characters code will be there in the URL that will designate team your client application is hosted in which server of Oracle. So Oracle having their very huge vast servers across the world. In US they have their servers. In Singapore they have for Asian countries. Then in Russia they have. In UK they have. So across the world they have different servers team. So your client application hosted operating from which server, that is the server code of that application. Okay, in the URL that much of information is there. Okay, so these are very important things to know. Nowhere it will be covered, but as you are starting your career in this technology, from very grassroots level, you should know all these things, team. In interview, they might not ask you all this stuff, but you should aware of these things when you are working in this technology in real time. Okay. So this is about team, the Fusion environment access, how the Fusion application will be delivered when any company buy the product from Oracle. So these are the different names that we can call and the differentiation team. Now, within this again, we have to talk about team different environments, but that is too early today. At this point, if I explain you also, you won't understand. But people already from anyone from IT backgrounds prior to Oracle Fusion, you might work in PeopleSoft or e-business. You know about this. But for other people, I'm talking team. Within applications team, when any customer buy the product from Oracle, they will get a different environments from Oracle. We call it as production environment. We call it as development environment. We call it as test environment, pre-pod, QA, different environments we have team. But that I will tell you in our project workshop. So here I kept that for you team. So different types of projects when I'm explaining you, what are the different types of environments? Development means what, test means what, production means what, that all I will tell you because now that will be too early to understand. Okay. So this is about team, the basic intro about the Fusion system. So once you pass your URL and once you give your user ID and password team, you will be logging into the Fusion system. This is the home screen of the Fusion application team. Kumar, how this access will come to us in the real-time project? We have a module in place. The next session that I'm going to start will be that only. So as part of our training team, the very first module that I'm going to start is the security administration in the system. So in the security module, how the user accounts will be created and when a user login, what all functionalities access the user should have. Okay, when we go for the project implementation, how our accounts to the client application will be created. That all I'm going to start in the next session team. Okay. But today, let me talk about the basic home screen functionalities what we have in the system. Okay. So once you log in into the application, this is the main home screen of the system. Good morning and my username coming HCM Lab, and then we could able to see different functionalities here: sales, redwood sales, service, me, procurement, my client group, and an arrow pointing towards the right. If I click on it team, I will get more details also here. See, if I click on it, more details are there. And then if I come back, they are moving towards again left to right. And then if I select any of this section team, my client group is there selected. I'm getting few more icons and the options here. If I select this one, I will get accordingly. If I select this one, I will get accordingly. What are all these things, team? This entire section, we call it as springboard. What is that, team? This entire section, we call it as springboard. And each section in the springboard, my client group is one section, help desk is one section, procurement is one section, me is one section. Each section we call it as functional area. I'm introducing you the terminologies to refer team. This entire area we call it as springboard, and each section in the springboard we call it as functional area. Under that whatever the options we have under my client group, I have hiring, candidate sourcing, journeys, new person. We call them as sub functional areas. These are functional areas, and these we call it as sub functional areas team. And then on the top left we have three lines coming up team. If I keep my cursor over there, we call it as navigator. So whatever we see here, the functional areas in the springboard, in the horizontal arrangement, they all are team. See, many options are there. If I click on this, many are coming. All these are in horizontal arrangement team. So here, if I go to navigator, these all things in the vertical arrangement, I can see them. Click on navigator, a bar will open from left to right. See, same sales, Redwood sales, service, me, procurement, my client group, help desk, same things team. See, my client group, we have these options team. I can access them here also. If I go here, my client group, if I click on this arrow team, same hiring, candidate sourcing, journeys, new person, whatever I see here, I can see here also. Then procurement, if I expand team, then under me, whatever I expand. So these all things we can even access from the navigator work area also. So this is springboard and this is navigator team. Okay. So remaining what are all these icons and all, and then the very first topic as part of our training, that is security, will start freshly from our next session team. So before getting into the questions for today, okay, before getting into the questions for today, let me tell you one thing. I want everyone to be confirming this from your end. What is that team? People, whoever confirmed their payments yesterday, have you received the emails or not from our institute? This is very important team, because we have a large count. We should also get verified from your end as well. My team already shared the emails, but people who joined late nights, I mean, few of them even midnights, they paid the fee, but they haven't shared the screenshots. We could only see the emails that we received from the payment gateway. So I request everyone, whoever completed the payments, almost people have done, whoever have that confirmations, please do check out these two things from your end. Number one, from our Triotech, everyone will be receiving emails team. What is that email? That email will give you the website access to you, the learning portal access. So how to log in into the website from this live classes button, how to access the portal for all the videos and all, this access have been shared to you team. Please do check out whether this has been done or not. Number one. If you have not received this email, please inform to the support number that what you have contacted earlier, so that they will reshare the access team, because everyday sessions will be uploaded in the portal only. From today, all sessions will be accessible in the portal. This is number one. Number two, today you will be added into WhatsApp community. This one not yet done. Today it will be done. By evening, if anyone not received the WhatsApp group link, please inform to the support, because starting from tomorrow, any communication that I'm going to do with you, that is from my timings point of view, or any materials I have to share with you, instance passwords I have to share with you, everything I will use the community only. I request everyone, by today evening, if you haven't received WhatsApp group link, though you paid the fee, please verify from your end as well, or else you will be missing some connection between me and you. The connection or the communication will be missed. So these two things, every one of you, please verify from your end as well team. And I request everyone, whoever yet to confirm the fee, again the payment link has been shared in the chat button. So today the enrollments will be closing team, because already the batch has been formed. Every month we have a limit for the batch and we already reached that threshold. Anyone yet to confirm the fee, please do confirm the payment team. So few of you have requested for extending the offer because of Friday yesterday. they have some sentiments regarding that Friday to pay and all. So till today, we have extended this offer team. And by today, 100% we are going to close the enrollments. If anyone, I think 5-10 people are there, whoever joined the call today, which we can track the attendance, please do complete that team. Tomorrow onwards, we will not be continuing with the registrations. Today will be the last day for the registrations, and we have to close our learning portal access creations and all team. So I request everyone, please do complete. From the next session, you will be getting a separate dedicated meeting link. So every day we won't share the meeting link to you. For the paid participants in the WhatsApp community that which you joined, in that we will share the meeting link. That will be for next 3 months. No change in that team. So from next class, only people who enrolled with that will be getting the paid Zoom link to you. So I request anyone who yet to confirm the fee, please do complete the registrations team. The payment link has been shared in the WhatsApp chat button. Even we will be sharing the WhatsApp messages also to you regarding that payment reminder. Please get yourself registered today team, so that we will also can able to share the portal access instance everything to your emails. Okay. So any questions as such in today's topic, online people?
Well, sir. Good
Rohit,
morning.
please.
Yeah, Rohit.
Yes, Rohit.
What I have seen in Naukri or somewhere in the LinkedIn,
Hmm.
so people are mostly hiring for as a techno-functional. So there are no openings for functional consulting.
That's what I told. This training will be for techno functional only. The
So
most
in that,
happening recruitment is techno functional, I told yesterday. You have to learn both. Even this training is for both only, right? Techno functional.
okay, so there we need require some technical skills like SQL and those things.
Definitely. Whatever we covering, that will be part of this program. They are sufficient. Entire technical is covering in this program.
So there will be no coding required in this.
Nothing. Only in the BA reports is there. Just we will exclude that part. Remaining all we will keep till your profile will consider as a techno functional. Still.
Okay, okay. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you. Kiran Kumar, you're raising the hand, please.
Yeah, so yesterday I did my payment and I also got the
Hmm.
both links like email as well as community WhatsApp
Good.
community link as well. So I
Hmm.
have one question like so if you are mentioned yesterday we should not use uh that
Multiple
link in
devices.
multiple devices. So it will be like let's say
Inform
if
Kiran
I
if you have
have
any
no, no, 1 minute.
standby
Let me
device.
complete. Let me complete. So I have laptop as well as desktop. So I'm not going to use both at a time. But can
Mhm.
I use that way?
That is what I am telling. If you have multiple devices, please inform to the team. They will extend the device limit to you. Okay.
Okay.
That is what I thought of
And one,
telling you. Fine, no problem.
yeah, one more question I have is like, so if I have any doubts, I can directly walk through your institute and clarify
You
there.
can come. You are
If
from
I am not,
Hyderabad only.
yes.
You can come, Kiran, anytime.
Okay.
Okay?
Monday
No
to
worries.
Saturday, right?
Monday to Saturday, yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Sorry,
next question. Yeah.
hi Kumar, this is Tunde. I
Yes,
just wanna
Tunde.
yeah, I've sent a message on WhatsApp this morning. Just wanna confirm GST because I'm in UK. I don't
See,
even know
from
what.
international payment, I discussed with the even accounts team. They will update
Okay,
you today. They will update in the WhatsApp.
okay, good.
No
All
worries.
right then.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. All right.
No worries. Yeah. So the UK payments generally they might avoid that. That accounts team will confirm you in the WhatsApp. Okay.
On the WhatsApp, okay, thank you.
Yeah. No
All right.
worries. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, hi Kumar, this is Roja.
Hi, Roger.
Yeah, online mock interviews are available or only offline mock interviews are there?
Not necessarily. Online also will be available through Zoom.
Oh, okay, thank you.
No worries. Yeah.
Kumar, this is Gaurav. I
Yes,
have
Gaurav.
received the link and community link I have not received. But the
Today,
this
today I will share.
environment, but the environment link when we gonna receive?
That also will get in the WhatsApp community by today. You will get. Okay.
Thank you.
Sure, Gaurav. Yeah.
Hi Kumar, one question. You'll be covering the functional modules also, right? Apart, including techno-functional thing.
Whatever I highlighted in the bold here, they all will cover, Krishna.
Thoroughly. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thanks.
Such Rohit asking about technical I highlighted today, but both will be covered.
Okay. I got a doubt what I joined. And second thing is, what is the mode of interview? Like how many rounds of interviews will be there? Like for
Generally in the
usual.
market, 2 rounds are happening in our technology. One will be
Okay.
initial technical round, and then second will be manager round. Some companies might extend for 3 rounds, but maximum we are seeing 2 rounds.
Yeah. Thank you, Kumar. Yeah. Thank you.
And I can see a question from Satish. Will we not be trained proficiently enough here that we can? Satish, are you in the call? It's not like that. You don't think in the other way around. I told you certification concept generally in the market not required. Companies are not looking, but definitely after the training, you can see many certification success stories also in our Instagram channel. Whoever completed with the training, 100% after the training, if you want to clear it, clear the certifications, happily you can do that. No worries in that.
Kumar sir, Venkat here and the certification. So, which certificate that we go for after this training?
Generally, if you want to do core HR, you prefer. That is the 100 base certification and where anyone can easily clear it. Absence and payroll might be a bit difficult to clear, but core HR is something where you can 100% clear it when you are doing that. So any 1 or 2 modules people will do. Core HR, if you do sufficient, not every module.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but I'm interested in compensation also along with core HR. So that also we can
You
try it.
can do that. Yeah, definitely you can do that. No worries.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Wow, this is
Hello.
Gaurav
Hi
Bhatia.
Kumar, Shiva here.
Yeah, hi Shiva.
Kumar, actually, are you available in Hyderabad today, or are you in Hyderabad?
I'll be available in office today, Shiva. Yes, you can come down.
Okay, can you please help me with the timing?
You can come between now 11 to 1. I'll be available till today for the first half, till 1:30, 2 o'clock like that.
Okay, done. I'll be coming and meeting you.
No worries, no worries.
Thank you.
Shyam Sundar Madireddy, what's basic qualification required? Basic qualification is any degree, not necessarily BTech. It could be any degree, BCom, BSc, BBA, or even diploma also, any degree. That will be sufficient. Okay. Praveen, yes, Praveen. Praveen, please unmute. I think you were raising the hand, but I think you are in
Can you
mute.
hear me, Kumar, now?
Yes, I can hear you, Praveen.
So I just want to know, are you not covering the technical part for the BI reports?
We are covering that. I told you is if anyone have the problem with SQL, you avoid that. I am telling, but it will be part of the course.
Okay. I just want to make sure that you're
No
covering that
worries.
also.
Yeah, that will be given. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Well, team, I'll conclude here for today. So as I mentioned, please do complete the registrations if anyone yet to be done. So our team will share the access to you for today, the portal access and also the application access and the WhatsApp group link. So strictly the registrations will be concluded by today. So please do confirm the registrations team so that we'll share the access to you on time. So from next session, we'll be continuing team. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.